Bonsoir. Very excited for you guys. You just concluded the practice sentences. Please remember when you are doing this portion of the program, hide the sentences in Creole. This portion of the program is not about reading and writing, about getting the words right visually. It is about auditory listening and using the skills to help you to learn. Also, it is about using the workbook. For example, if you're trying to translate these sentences and you don't know how to spell the word to look it up in the dictionary, go back to your premier leçon, look at the alphabet, and watch the alphabet video. Why am I doing that? Because it means you don't have it down yet, and you need to go back and do it. Don't rush yourself. This program is not about you concluding it. It's week 7. I should be done with week 7. No, that's why it doesn't say weeks. It says leçon 1, leçon 2, leçon 3, however long it takes you. If you're having a hard time translating because of contractions, I actually don't have contractions in this one. But when that happens, you look at the contraction videos. You look at the contraction teaching in leçon 6. So again, if you're having a difficult time, go back to what is difficult and watch the videos teaching those and giving you practice sentences on those and drills on those and read those sections. Do not try to push through any of this program. Just take your time doing this. So you're going to listen. I'm going to be quiet when I say sentences and phrases that I want you to répéter après moi. Repeat after me. So when I pause, you're going to répéter après moi. Then you can push pause to write what you think the translations are. And then when I'm done with whichever sentence we are doing, you can push pause to go to the dictionary to look up words you're missing without, again, looking at the workbook. Okay? The only time you look at the workbook is after you've figured out the translation the best you could, and then you go to the answer key, and then you look that up. And then you look at the next video that is going to explain the translation. Okay? Première. Oh, this is number 6. 6. Qui joue lié? Qui joue lié? Qui joue lié? 7. Mwen vle ale Port-au-Prince nan janvier. Mwen vle ale Port-au-Prince. Port-au-Prince means Port-au-Prince. I wanted you to know that word because it is a place you will hear about a lot in Haiti because it is the capital. Port-au-Prince. Port-au-Prince. The port of the princes. Port-au-Prince. Nan janvier. Mwen vle ale Port-au-Prince nan janvier. 8. Grand-mè toujou fret nan février. Grand-mè toujou fret nan février. Février. Grand-mè toujou fret nan février. Grand-mè toujou fret nan février. 9. Ou gen 2 pitit kounye a. Ou gen 2 pitit kounye a. Ou gen 2 pitit kounye a. ou gen 2 petites cuillères. 10. Matin, nous mangeons en pile. Matin, nous mangeons en pile. Matin, nous mangeons en pile. Bien fait. Go ahead, like the video. Your next video is going to explain the answers that you will see in the answer key for leçon 7. This is for the exercice of leçon 7. And remember, it is very important that after you conclude this video and working on your translation, that you only go to the answer key before you look at these sentences. The answer key will let you know whether your answers are correct or not. And if you go, well, are my answers incorrect or just another version of the answer? If you're not certain, go to the Learn Haitian Creole group on Facebook and ask the question. Make sure to tell us what lesson, what number, and what your answer was, and what the answer was in the answer key. And we will be able to tell you why it's different and if it works anyway. If you feel like when I'm saying the sentences in Creole, you want to translate it quickly, just hit pause before I slow down and try to translate it quickly. I will always slow down, even all the way to leçon 20, your 20th lesson. The reason I will do that is because there are some people who want to take their time with articulation practice, even through the 20th lesson. So the first time I say a sentence that's written in Creole in your workbook, you can hit pause when I say it at regular speed if you want to start challenging yourself to translate it before I break it down. It's a good skill to work on. Okay, guys, au revoir.